All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to get it on with BENKS, man. Time to get it on. BENKS has come through with a nice killer combination here. This is one of their newer cases, man. The ArmorGrid. I mean, this thing is freaking nuts. It is nuts. So let's just get into it, man. For the iPhone 17 Pro Max, currently sold out apparently for the iPhone 17 Pro. But this is another BENKS case with the full setup. This is a full case. I mean, that color is just absolutely stupid. But you can pause this and take a look at it and read it or whatever you want to do. But I got to tell you, this case is certified fire, man. Oof. This is crazy nice. Look at this, man. Beautiful, beautiful setup here. Really can appreciate what they're doing. And the case feels really good. It's really, really nice. Let's get this tag off here. And you see you got it like that with the camera module completely open. Let's put it on. Ooh, man. Golly, man. I mean, just crazy. Has some residue on there from the lens protectors I had on there, but ooh, look at that. Nice lip protection on the front. You got your vibrate mute switch right there, volume rocker. Everything is very tactile, very nice. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful case, to say the least. And then you get this stand here that you can use on the back. Let's get it open here. Oof. Shout out to BENKS, man. This case, BENKS has come like a long way, and they're getting even better. And I like when they do cases like this that are full coverage. This MagSafe stand here is, oh man, it is the way. Look at this, man. Oof. It's got like a 3-part or 2-part on this one. I've seen the other one with a 3-part before, but look at this. You got the nice soft touch in the back too, so look at that. Oof. And it twists. Nice little setup here, man. I'm feeling this joint. Look, you can sit it down how you want to sit it down, get it down. Look at that. Boom. Sit it up straight. You want to get at your rock on at an angle just like that. You want to use it like this to help some kind of grip on it. You can as well, depending on how big your hands are. A nice, strong, magnetic, and obviously the color combination here. This is a major win, man. So I want to go ahead and show it to you guys, man. I love it when they do cases like this where it's all covered around the edges. I love it. I mean, everybody likes their ultra thin cases, but this case right here, oof, this is a thing of beauty. Link will be in the description to grab yours. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.